What if I told you there is an AI that can write your emails, codes your projects and solve complex problems way faster than ChatGPT? And it's completely free. Yeah, you heard that right. It's completely free. I'm talking about DeepSeek AI. And honestly, most people don't even know it exists. Think about your week. How much time did you waste? Staring at a blank screen, trying to write something, debugging code for hours, researching stuff you could have asked an AI. I was the same. Then I found DeepSeek and everything changed. Here's the thing nobody tells you. You don't need to pay for ChatGPT Plus. You don't need to wait in lines. This AI works better for coding. It's faster and it actually understands what you are asking. Let me show you 3 things that blew my mind. Number 1, code generation. Literally, tell it, write me a Python script that organizes my file. And boom, it gives you working code. Not random code, actually working code. Developers going crazy with it. Number 2, content writing. Stuck on writing? Tell it, write a LinkedIn post about productivity with the tone you want and it sounds like you wrote it. Not some robot. That's power. Number 3, problem solving. This is my favorite part. Ask it to explain complex topics like you are 10 years old. It does. No fancy words, just real explanation. But here's what makes DeepSeek different from other AIs. It's insanely fast, no waiting, better at coding, developer prefers it. Understand context, remember what you said before. Free, seriously, not a single rupee. People don't talk about this enough, but DeepSeek has already happened. Student finishes project 10x faster, freelancer take one more client without burning out, business owner automate their entire email workflow, and the best part, it works in English, Hindi and multiple languages. Perfect if you are not native English speaker like most of us here in India. Look, I am dropping a complete tutorial next week showing you step by step how to set this up and use it whatever you do, whether you are coding, writing or just evolving everyday problems. So if you want simple AI tricks that actually works, solution that saves your hours every week, a channel that doesn't give you AI buzz, hit that subscribe button and follow. See you in next one. Bye bye.